What's up, Facebook? I am here. Welcome to this episode of Get Your Brain Food. I am here with
Michael De La Cruz.
Michael. What's up, bro? What's up? We met. Michael and I met at the Mastermind this year in Tampa, Florida. How was that down there, bro? What'd you think of the Mastermind?
I think that Mastermind was awesome, man. I got some great nuggets that I'm actually implementing in my own business right now. And it was awesome, man, just to connect with people, the energy, the positivity. And there's nothing like, being surrounded with people that are going to places, man. And it was, it was life-changing for me. It was my first ever live event ever, in this industry. So it was an honor just to get to, meet you and meet other people like us that are in the trenches of, just becoming legendary. That's what it's all about.
Yeah. How did you, so it gets me my first question. How did you get into this online space? Like what made Michael decide to go to make money online?
Well, basically, tell you the truth, I was burnt out, man. I was working in a cubicle job where one day, man, I was just falling asleep. I'm just going to give you the short version of it, but I was literally falling asleep on my desk. And it was then that I realized that my life force was being drained, and I didn't know what was going on. I was just tired all the time, stressed, got home, didn't even have time to, spend some quality time with my wife, that it was affecting our relationship. All I did was just go to work, come home, go to sleep, and, repeat the same thing. So I felt like I was like a zombie. Every day I woke up early in the morning. I don't know, you've been to Alaska, you're here in the wintertime, early in the morning at 6 a.m. You got to go out, get all that snow off the car, negative 10-degree weather. And that was my routine. So it was when I, as I said, I was falling asleep one day, and I was like, man, I need to really change. I need to take control of my life again. So then I was going online for ways that I can work from home, make money. I saw people were doing it. So I'm like, that'll be good. I don't have to get up, go through that traffic in the morning. I can really redesign my life. So it was when I discovered, how to use the law of attraction on that. And funny enough, a week before I was let go from that job, I told my wife I got fired. I was just joking around, right? Hey, babe, I got fired. She's like, what? She was doing her hair thing at that time. She's like, what you mean? Yeah, I got fired. And I was like, just kidding. A week later, man, I was let go, for real. So I'm like, whoa, what the heck happened? It was oh my gosh, I was just joking around. How some people play hoax and stuff, somebody's dead and then they die the weeks later or something like that. So that's literally what happened to me. So I manifested my own, my own life, what I'm doing right now. So anyways, I went online looking for ways to work from home. And then I found a program which I received an email from. And that was the start of my journey online, man. Ever since, I haven't looked back. I haven't gotten another job after that. I do hair, but it's still entrepreneurship. So really, I embrace being my own boss, and that's what led me. And so now I get to spend more time with my wife at home. We get to travel, we get to do things that we love doing. And just keep it going from there.
That's awesome, bro. That is awesome. You live in the laptop lifestyle already, making it happen for yourself.
Yes, man. Yes.
Awesome. So when you were looking for, you kind of answered this already, but when you were online looking for jobs and how to make income online, why did you pick this system over the thousands of other systems that are out there? Why did you choose this one?
Well, to tell you the truth, basically, the founder, I actually met him in a different company, or not, not in person, but online. And I saw what he was all about. I saw the vision. And typically when I started, I had to be doing things on my own, pretty much. I had to when I get a son, I had to call him, train him, and then answer, you know, all those questions. But when I came across this system, it actually changed my whole perspective of things, where you can like outsource, you know, certain tasks to other people. Like in this system, we have coaches, right? So the coaches, they really take that heavy, you know, that you having to handle, you know, your members yourself, which sometimes, you know, that could be time consuming, because you know, you had to do everything yourself. Like when I started, I had to do everything myself. I had to like set up my own email follow-ups, you know, I had to call, you know, my members, and, you know, and really that was actually taking time from me from doing the things that I love doing, you know, and it was taking time from me from really being, you know, productive, right? So that's what led me to the system here. It's just that there's people with real heart. First of all, there's integrity, and the people that come in, you know, they get their own coach, so they're already taken care of. And I just love that it's completely hands off. Let's just put it that way.
Nice. So just to like summarize the answer there. So you picked this system because it's a kind of a done for you system. You have to do basically like the bare minimum, and the rest of the task is already taken care of. Is that about right?
That's about right, man. Just focus on the 10% that they, you know, tell you, which is just generating leads into the system. And yeah, everything is pretty much taken care of. I mean,
good.
That's super powerful.
Good, yeah, because I mean, it gets it so that way if you've never made money online, all you got to do is get someone into the landing page, and the rest of the system is done there for you, the upsells, the follow-ups, all that stuff.
Exactly.
So my next question for you is, and Michael, like, so for what made the biggest difference for you to going from where you were in your job to 95 to where you are now? What's the one thing that has been the biggest difference for you to give you that jump, that ability to keep going?
Pretty much the improvement in my wife's and I's relationship. You know, the ability that we can be together and really, you know, really live our lives. You know what I mean? Like a lot of people, you know, they are in a job, right, and they're working hours and hours and hours. You know, they might be earning, let's say, you know, I don't know, $1 million a year. Let's put it, you know, as an example. But a lot of them are not really living that quality life that they can live with, with their loved ones. They're always on business trips or job trips, and my biggest thing is that I'm able to be there for my loved ones. And I got relatives in Dominican Republic too, and having the ability to really help them out, you know, and that I can do that in a way that, again, that it's life-changing. You know, you get to be there for your loved ones. I mean, you get the time and you get the money, you know, so that equals freedom. So I'm all about the freedom. That's what really got me, man. Time and money equals freedom.
Yep. Damn straight. That's me too, brother. That's why I do it too. For freedom. Being able to do what I want, when I want, whenever I want, with whoever I want. All I want to do.
Exactly. That's what success is to me. I mean, to a lot of people, it's different things. To me, it's basically, like you said, being able to do what you want, when you want it, where you want it, whenever you want it, anytime.
That's my definition of success too. Some people, it's just being able to pay the bills. Other people, it's just, you know, having a day off, you know, being able to have a day off with a little money in your bank. So whatever success is to you, the best way, if you don't know what success is to you, you need to define it. Because if you don't define success for yourself, you're going to be running in a circle. You're going to be doing, what him and I have been doing before this. You just go into work, you work for the paycheck. At the end of the month, you still got to go back to work to end that paycheck. So, I mean, in order to get out of that, you have to figure out what it is that's going to drive you to be able to quit your job, to be able to actually take that step, that leap of faith. And the best way to do that is define what it is success means to you. So that's awesome, bro. Well, hey, I appreciate you coming on, man. Thanks for doing this video with me.
Yeah, man. I hope to have many more, man. I'm really honored that you invited me over to this interview. And yeah, man.
Next time we'll have to do it on a boat when we're fishing in Alaska, okay?
Oh, heck yeah, man. You got it. Should go to Whittier or something, get a charter. I don't know. We'll do
I'm down. I'll go see the icebergs and stuff out there. I'm down.
Definitely.
Super awesome. Hey, for you guys that are watching, reach out to me or Michael, whoever you connect best with. Just send us a message in our DMs or type info here or success at the bottom of this in the comments here, and we'll be able to send you to show you exactly what it is that we do in order to make money online. And if you've never made money online, like Michael said, it's a done for you system. All you have to do is generate leads, and they give you a 6 and 7 figure coach that teaches you step by step how to at least start doing that. And then you have to implement. Like he said, he went to the mastermind and he is implementing what he learned. He didn't just learn it. He's putting it into practice. He's executing on that. And that's what you do in order to make money with this. Okay. So it's not an ATM. You're not going to just pay your $30 and be like, where my money at? Why haven't I made any money? You got to put in work, right?
I mean, you got to, I believe that the mistake most people make is basically that they come here and, into the systems and they want to treat it like a hobby, or they want to treat it, like you said, like an ATM. It's a business. You got to treat you got to treat it as a business, meaning that you have to set self hours. You got to go out there. That's why they call it earn money online. You can say make money, but it's really earn, because you're earning money. You're promoting out there. You're putting links everywhere. It's the same thing as how you would treat a business, right? It's just getting people to the doors to take a look at your stuff. So with us right here, we just go out there. We learn a strategy that, the coaches, they teach you, and what you get when you get started, and just go with that. I mean, that's simple. As simple as, like you said, you go out there and just make things happen. But it's not going to happen unless you implement. And they say knowledge is power, but apply knowledge is power. That's what I believe. You got to apply the knowledge. Can't just have this up here in your mind.
Ooh, that's fire bars, B. That's fire bars, B.
Yeah, I mean, it's applying knowledge. It's not just knowledge.
Knowledge is only potential power, right?
Exactly.
Potential power. That's awesome. Sweet. All right, man. Well, I will see you again shortly, because I'm sure we're going to see each other sometime this year. There's supposed to be another mastermind, so.
I'm pretty sure. Going back to Tampa, right? Florida?
Yeah, probably. I'm going to get direct flights this time. Those layovers.
I remember that. Yeah. Oh, man.
All right, Mike. I'm going to see you on the other side. Thanks for joining me, brother.
All right, brother.
See you soon.